Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App Borrow Unavailable Repay only in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to open your Cash App application on your phone. Afterwards, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of Borrow. So here, when you tap on the option of Borrow, if the app is only going to show you the repay or the loan balance, it means that the Cash App usually wants the current loan cleared before allowing another one. Even small overdue balances can temporarily disable the new borrowing access automatically. Now, Cash App Borrow eligibility depends heavily on the account's behavior. So accounts with the regular direct deposits or the card usage, incoming payments and the active transactions usually regain the borrow access faster. Now a lot of people use borrowing access after becoming inactive or for long period. Now if previous loans were repaid late, Cash App may reduce or completely pause the borrow access temporarily. So even after the repayment, the system can keep the account in the repay only mode for some time while reassessing the repayment behavior internally. So this is usually no instant manual bypass for this. So that's how you can basically, you can also try to contact the Cash App support team if you can find any help from them. Thank you.